So hi, here we are, our Coding Ninjas team, and I will be first. My name is Christina, and I'm software engineer at Hanawila. We are contributing to the project that serves to basically solve the issue of community, to have a website where registered members can share the links to the videos, tools, events, articles. I will go ahead and share a bit of a main stack, just for the main overview. Let me share my screen and let me see what I can do here. Um, all right, so hope that is seen on the video. Basically, the main stack that we use, we have a user, of course, and on the front end, we use React with the Next. For styling, we use Chakra UI. We found it very customizable and beneficial for our team project. On the back end, we use Node and Next, and we store our links in database, which is MongoDB. So this is the main architecture of our project. I will go ahead and show on example, in example of the video, how the main feature works. Let me go ahead and do that. Just a moment, please. All right, so what we mentioned, yes, so we protect the user. In this case, we protect it on the client side. Eventually, the team will be working to protect the user path on the server side, but basically only registered members and logged in members can share a link. So that way we provide some security to our project. Let me go ahead and log in. All right, so if we log in, we will see that now we have a form available to us. And if I want to share a link, let's say, let's just probably go to YouTube and just find any link here. Just a moment, please. Probably I had to prepare with the link. All right, then let's just do maybe Chakra. Chakra project maybe. We'll just take any link just for example of it. And we will share it on the website. So, all right, I will put it as just for example project, and here is a source link. We do need to choose the type of the source, and if I hit submit, if we go to videos, you will see that it's right here on the screen. For that purposes, for the patching, we use Next.js helper that is called get server side props. It was very valuable for the project because we basically patch data on the server side. It makes the website very fast and scalable. And one good feature that we use a slice method to show the latest videos on the homepage. So if you look here, you will see the latest videos here. We used a lot of good features for the team projects, such as a Trello. It's basically some kind of a Kanban tool. Also, we created issues in the GitHub, and we also used the discussion feature of the GitHub. It was very useful for the project. While the value project is very important for that team, we also try to make it a very good open source project. So there can be found a good first issue in our project. So we do invite other members to work with us. And that's all for me, and I will pass it to May. Play.
Thanks for passing it to me, Christina. Hi, everyone. My name is Mai. I'm also one of the software engineer on the team as well. And I'm here to present to you today articles in the form as well. Say, for instance, if a user goes ahead and submit a form such as or submits an article and they forgot to fill in the rest, it won't allow them to with this form. So that toast notifications that error will pop up just to notify the user. And I have this Chakra UI alert as a resource at the moment. And then we are going to go ahead and submit it for an article. Oh, that's interesting. I'll have to take a look at that. But if, let me go ahead, log back in. Add in the information again. I must have added it already. But here we do have an article here, and you can go ahead and delete, and it will be removed from the page. So that's all I have to show for articles, and I will go ahead and pass it over to Thomas.
Hi, thanks, Mike, for passing me the torch. Hi, all. I'm Thomas Bell. I'm also a software engineer here with Honolulu, and I'm also a part of the Coding Ninjas team. So I'm going to share my screen, show you what I've been working on. There we go. And so what I've worked on multiple parts of the project, but I've really focused on the today's pics section, where when a user logs in and they are able to add, certain quotas of the day for pictures, memes, things of that nature. Let's click on more laughs. I chose this style here in Humor. I thought it was a really good, nice workflow when the user starts, putting up their best pictures, and they kind of flow here. And as we come down to the memes trending for the day, they'll all populate down here. In future breakouts of the project, we'll have users add more functionality, as so which this page will all populate and fill up to a certain extent. And again, this was all using the Chakra UI, and it was actually in its simplicity. The components were rather simple. However, there was a lot of playing around with the components to get everything to work together. But yeah, that's my piece of the project, and I will pass the torch on to Jerry. Thanks.
Hey y'all, my name is Jerry Victor, and I'm a software engineer as well here at Honolulu. Thank you, Thomas, for passing the torch. So what I was responsible for was mostly on the back end, and share my screen here. I was responsible for creating the server.js file. So I was also responsible for creating a user controller. I was responsible for setting up the MongoDB connection, which our database is here. I was also responsible for creating the login pop-up module, and our routes for our media, our controller file for our user, and our event controller. So that's it for me.
Okay, thank you, Jerry. That was all for our team. Thank you guys for coming, and I see you soon.